I'm going to break down several unexpected benefits from the myEcon travel membership that you probably did not know about. And yes, these are available all across the globe in over 150 countries, if you didn't know that already. What is up, my friend DK here? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I upload new content. Now, if you've been checking out the channel or just checking out videos on myEcon, how to make money online, you are in the right place. And if you watch this video all the way through, I'm going to give you guys a video, a full tutorial and overview of how I will literally give you over $11,000 in free, proven, and documented value. How we've helped literally over 10,000 people make their first dollar online. We're going to give you our free front-end marketing and training system with your myEcon membership. I'll have more information on that at the end of this video. But now let's talk about travel. Let's talk about the myEcon membership and how this membership, yes, is available all across the globe in over 150 countries. And we're going to break down several unexpected benefits that you probably did not know about this travel membership. So what I want to do is I'm going to log right in and we're going to go through these. So first and foremost, you need to realize that with travel engines that are out there, most of them are the same white labeled travel engine from the same parent company. Now, where that breaks down is with each of these, whether it's, a network marketing opportunity, affiliate marketing opportunity, companies out there that have this white labeled travel engine, all right, there's different pricing tiers. Okay. Now, first off, right out of the gate, I want to let you know that myEcon pays the highest dollar per member so we can have the biggest discounts. Okay. So as an example, companies out there could be paying less per head and they would still get access to the travel site, but they might not get all of the features and benefits. They might not get the biggest discounts. And that, first off, right out of the gate, the number one thing to talk about here is up to 70% off public pricing. Again, that's because of the pricing tier that myEcon pays with this white labeled travel engine. So you get up to 70% off public prices. Okay, so that's number one. So if you're out there online and you see that, you're shopping travel, you are going to book a cruise or whatever it is for you and your family, okay, you can compare the myEcon travel membership to the big dogs, the Expedias, the Pricelines, the Travelocities, all those other ones, and you could see up to 70% off pricing. That's number one. Number two, okay, if you happen to find a cheaper price elsewhere, which it's unlikely, but if you do, if you say you went to Expedia and you found a cheaper price, you have a 110% price match guarantee. What does that mean for you? You are literally guaranteed to save money with this travel engine. With myEcon's travel engine, you're guaranteed to save money. So if you do find a cheaper price, they're going to pay you the difference. Where else are you going to find that? They would literally pay you whatever the difference is. It's again, pretty simple right there. Okay. Now, what else can you do? You can earn points. Okay. So you can start accruing points and you can turn in those points for literally free travel. You can redeem those points for free travel. You can also redeem those points for other things as well. And this is kind of like a two-part deal here. Okay. So with the myEcon travel membership, and yes, this is all of these things that I'm talking about are available all across the globe in over 150 countries around the world. Okay. So if you're looking at myEcon and thinking, hey, yeah, but I'm in Canada or I'm in South Africa, I'm, not in the United States. Yeah, you still get access to everything I'm talking about. Okay. So you can still earn points. You could still redeem those points and you could travel for free, but you could also redeem those points for other things like gift cards or maybe even the C word, cash. Wait, what? Okay. Now, another thing I want to talk about is another program that is inside of this, which again, most people don't talk about. Okay. So I'm going to move this down right here in this section right here. You have the opportunity to share your travel membership direct link where other people can go here. Okay. Your links are right up in here. Okay. You'll see them right up where your initials are right there. Okay. You can share out an affiliate link. Okay. and people can create a free account. Friends, family, you can do a promotion online. You can work this any way you want. You can give out your travel membership link to someone and they can create, I'll write it out for you again, they can create a free travel membership account. Okay. They can create a free account, which is really cool. Okay. Now it doesn't just end there. So you can let someone use your travel membership, create a free account. Okay. And I'm going to actually show you this one because this is important. When they create a free account, if they book travel through their new membership account that you just gave them, and they book travel and they save, whatever they save, you earn. Let me spell that out for you a different way. Okay. Whatever they save, you earn. You actually can see it right here too. You can copy this to your clipboard. You can copy this information, invite. See right here, it says invite your friends to earn rewards. So check this out. How does that work? Literally, you see it right there on your screen. If your friend or family member or whoever you give your link to, and a lot of people will use this, as like a lead magnet for their business. Hey, opt into my capture page here and I'll give you free access to my deep discounted travel engine. You can sign up for free, right? Normally costs whatever it is, and I'm going to give you access for free. Could be using that as a lead magnet. So you come here, all right, and you get to give that away, and whatever they save, you ready? You earn. So if your friends or family or whoever it is saves $250 on booking their hotel or rental car or cruise or whatever it is, vacation, you would earn $250 in rewards points, rewards credits. How cool is that? How cool is that? Again, some things that are, these things, they're not really talked about, but it's really, really cool to be able to do. And again, I've seen a lot of people take that and use it as a lead magnet for their business. So, I mean, if you're if you're outside of the United States and you're in, Canada again, or South Africa, Australia, wherever, and you want to have a great lead magnet for your business, say, hey, I'll get you access to my exclusive travel membership for free. In exchange, just opt into my page or do whatever, whatever you guys, however you want to use that. Other things. And again, once you get access to the travel membership, you have access to these things as a paying member. Okay, so another thing I want to talk about, and this, again, it needs to be talked about more. You need to understand the true value of this membership here, and is kind of a two-part deal. Okay, number one, when you click into support, you really need to understand what you have access to here. Okay, so when you click on support, you can get an online concierge who can help you book your trip. So if you're having any kind of trouble, or there's certain things that you want to do that might not be available on the website, you can click on support, and literally right now, right here, you have a live chat. You can see it down here in the corner. You can also just click on that button right there. You have live chat available, so you can work directly with an online booking concierge. So let's say you have a big family and you want to book a trip, you want to get everybody on the cruise, or you need to book multiple things, a rental car, a flight, and a hotel, and it's just a lot, and it's something that you don't want to sit there and go out and shop and get all these deals and whatever. You really just need to let them know three things. Number one, when you want to go. Number two, where you want to go. And number three, how much money you want to spend. You give those three things to the online concierge, and they will literally book the trip for you. They'll give you all the pricing options. They'll let you know what's available, what hotels, what flights, all those things. They could put a whole package together for you that you might not even have realized existed. So instead of you trying to go figure all this stuff out, again, remember those three specific things. You let the online concierge know that, where you want to go, when you want to go there, and how much money you want to spend, and they're going to find the best options for you. Now, while you're in this section, this part here is really important, okay? If you own rental properties, yeah, I bet you didn't even know this existed, and you could partner up with the myEcon travel membership for this. When you click here, okay, where it says member guide, ready? Watch this. When you click on that member guide, okay, you're going to open that window up. Just wait for that one sec. And then right here under Marketplace, okay, again, this is where you would work with the online concierge or the online support. See this right here? You have the option to list your property in this website to get your property listed out there to all of the members of this travel membership. Now, that is a really cool bonus because a lot of people do own, Verbos or Airbnbs or whatever it is, or maybe you just have your property for rent and you do it privately, but you have the option to list your property right here with the myEcon travel membership. I bet you didn't know that. Now, let's move on to the next thing. When you come over here to lifestyle, let me go into something called restaurant savings. Yeah, check this out. You have the opportunity to buy gift cards, restaurant gift cards. Look at this. And again, yes, I don't know if this is in every single country. It all depends on who the restaurants are that they're partnered with and if these restaurants are in fact in your country, but there are a lot of restaurants that are franchised all around the world, and this could apply to you. Okay. Don't ask me for a list. I don't know. You're just going to have to get in and play around with it. But you can buy a $100 restaurant gift card for $12.49. I mean, come on now. That's crazy savings. If you're out, if you're traveling, if you just want to go grab a quick bite, $100 gift card for $12.49. That's crazy value. That's another perk that, comes with the travel membership that most people don't know about. Another perk that we're going to talk about here is shopping rewards. Yes, there is a discounted shopping section. And again, yes, this is available in other countries. This is something that is not talked about enough. And you see all the different types of discounts, all the different types of areas in here. There's, online shopping stuff could be shipped direct to you and all the different categories here. Go in, explore, see what's in there for you. But again, online shopping, discounted online shopping is available for you through the myEcon travel membership. Again, probably something you did not know. Okay. So again, all of these things are available outside of the United States. And we don't talk enough about this travel membership, but it's absolutely awesome. And there's so many perks in here. And you have access to this all around the globe. This is something that you can share. And one last thing I want to talk about is you can, even if you are in South Africa or Canada or another country, okay, you get access to the full myEcon compensation plan. Not just, you don't just take your link. If let's say you're in South Africa, right? You don't just take your link and then market it to other people in South Africa. No, you can go onto social media and you can market your business to anyone, anywhere around the world. You can market it to Europe. You can market it to Canada, Mexico, here in the United States. You get access to all of the commissions that are available in the myEcon compensation plan. There's no cap on your income. You can become an affinity just like me, and you can make some very serious money no matter what country you're in. Okay. So please keep that in mind. You have access to all of the links, not just the travel membership, but literally all of the links in your myEcon members area. Okay. So now if you want to see our full tutorial, I'm going to leave an end card here right at the end of this video. You can literally just tap on that and see how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for partnering up with me and my team. You'll be able to tap right on that or hit the links in the description down below. If you're ready to get started, you can also hit the links in the description down below. It's literally going to take you right here to the screen that you see right here, or you can simply type in right in your browser, myeconglobal.com, and that will also take you directly here to this page. Now, if you are outside of the United States and you click on this link to enroll right here, this is my sales rotator, my personal sales rotator. So not only if you come in as an international member outside of the United States, not only are you going to be able to get into my sales rotator, but chances are you're probably going to join someone other than me, which is going to be awesome because we're helping other people across the globe make sales as they're getting signed up for myEcon. So let's get you into my personal sales rotator so I can help you get started. I can help you make sales, and I can help you start promoting your myEcon affiliate link literally starting today. Okay. All that information is covered in the tutorial right here at the end of this video. So thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. So again, you will be notified first before anybody else when I put out new content. If you're ready to get started, link in the description down below, or again, hit myeconglobal.com. Just type that in your browser. That will take you right here. You can lock in and we can partner up. You'll get instant access to our team training and everything you need to get out there and crush it with your myEcon Global business. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one.